My child, have you ever noticed how everything has turned out alright, even in the moments when you had no idea how, or if things would actually be okay? Well, you are here, and guess what? You are okay. You may not be exactly where you would like to be, but you are well on your way. Keep going. Type yes if you agree. Remember to ask for it. Ask for healing, clarity, peace, wisdom, and guidance. Ask for abundance, creativity, light, and love. Don't be timid in your prayers or your request. Be bold, be positive, be grateful, as everything you are asking for is making its way to you. Type yes if you agree. I know you have been questioning, wondering enough or good enough to do that which your heart desired to do. This message is here to remind you that you really are more than capable of doing it. Don't you dare give up on yourself or your dreams now. Type yes if you agree, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.